Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to day 10 of 12 days of Liller-Ween. On today's video, I have a project share to show you guys, but before we get into that, I want to show you the paper kit that I'm using. I did make a post on my Instagram showing you guys that I was going to be working with this kit next. I'm going to have it linked down below. It is called Eek October Kit by Tanya Lay Designs. The kit does come with elements. I didn't print them out. I just did some of her sheets. There's more. I think there's maybe three or four sheets that I didn't print out. So the kit is a great deal for $5. So definitely go check that out if you still have Halloween projects that you need to create and you want to use a pastel Halloween collection. This is the perfect one to use. And I'm going to show you guys some of the sheets. Look how cute, you guys. This is like an ombre with the spell book, the poison bottle. We have the little witchy with the bats. The witch is one of her elements, as well as a poison bottle and the candles. I think there's a coffin as well. It was just a little too big for what I made today, so I didn't really print them out. But I love the colors of these papers. They just pop so beautifully. Look at that. Such a pretty kit. And you guys, I've literally used so many different Halloween collections throughout this series. I don't think I've ever done that before, and I think it's something that I want to do on a yearly basis as I have my channel, and kind of explore all different kinds of collections that come out throughout that year, because it was super fun to do. And I feel like you guys enjoyed that a lot. You got to see a bunch of collections that sometimes you just don't see them, or you didn't even know they were out. So I'm definitely going to be doing that in my series, and I'm going to do that also in my Christmas series. So now to show you guys what I decided to make with this paper. I made for you guys a mini album. You guys, isn't this the cutest? It is a pumpkin mini album. It is an SVG by Lori Whitlock. I wanted to film me actually making it, but I had some trouble. I made a few mistakes and it just became a total headache. So I decided to just recreate it real quick on my own. And this is what it turned out like. So I did leave it blank in the inside because this is going to be for someone to fill in with their photos and document their, their Halloween. So this is the cover. As you can see, I used the papers, different papers. I did stitching. I found this Eek, which I thought was so perfect because the collection is called Eek. And I put it right here in the center. I did the cute little leaves for the pumpkin on the front. And that is just the cover, the little bat with the little googly eye. This little flower. I did some pink rings from AliExpress. And then you can put pictures on both sides, but I only put the backing on this in the center. So I did the black, and then you can put your little picture here. And I thought that it'd be fun to do maybe an ink pen, a white one, and you can document or just put a little picture, or you can write on this side and your picture right here. I decorated it just with some puffy stickers. I didn't want to take too much space because it's not really that big, so I didn't want to full on decorate in the inside. So we have 4 pages, I think, or 3 or 4 pages. We have that one. We have this one. There's a little frog right here. And then we have this I put in the center because I had made an extra cover. This is when the mistakes were happening. So I decided just to still give it to you guys and put it in the center as kind of like a little binder in the in the center. What do you call those things? I feel like I can't remember. Like a spacer in the center. I don't know. I can't find the word right now. I can't think, you guys. It's 2 a.m. and I'm trying to film this. But anyway, I still wanted to give it to you guys. I did do, for the covers, I did do 2 layers, and it does have hot glue, so it's super sturdy. So that's just in the middle. And then we have more of the black pages. The little witch's cauldron, the little witchy hat right here. It's a little puffy, you can see it. There you go. And then we have the back. So I have this one was supposed to be another cover, so I made that the back piece. And then right here, I just put my label. But yeah, you guys, that is the little mini album that some lucky winner is going to be winning today. And of course, I had to make a little tassel that's going to be going with the book. So that is going to be the giveaway prize for today's video. I love it so much, you guys. I think these colors make the mini album look so cute. The tassel, I did some yellow, some teal, some pink, purple. There's a little ghost ribbon here. There's a plaid one. We have the purple with the little like eyelash trim. This pink one with this lace trim. I think it's super fun. I have this little ribbon bow with the little beads in the inside. Super cute. I left it separate so that you guys can put it wherever you want to put it. And yeah, you guys, that is the giveaway prize. If you want to enter, you know the deal. Leave a comment down below saying enter me, and you will be entered for a chance to win this mini album with a little tassel. That is it for today's video. I'm sorry if I sound all over the place, but it is 2:22 a.m. and I wanted to get this video up and ready to go because I still have a few projects to work on and I need to get these videos out and going. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for your constant love and support. I appreciate you so much, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.